Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I know it has been a while, but today I am going to review our trip to Antigua, Guatemala, where we enjoyed our stay. And we stayed at an Airbnb called El Solar. So I'm going to walk you all through our arrival, our trip to get to Guatemala, Antigua, and a review of our Airbnb. So here we are arriving at the airport. We arrived at La Aurora International Airport, which I think is one of two airports in Guatemala. So it is in Guatemala City. So in order for us to get to Antigua, we do have to travel. As soon as we arrived at the airport, we stopped to exchange our US dollars for Guatemalan quetzal, or short, they call it Q. And we didn't get enough to begin with, but we did have access to other ATMs when we got to Antigua. But after we got our quetzal, we went to go get our bags. This is kind of what the airport looked like. It wasn't too large. It was easy to navigate to our destination to get our baggage. But prior to getting our baggage, we did have to go through customs and get our passports checked. So here we are. And then it didn't take long for us to get our baggage. And then we were off to try to figure out how we were going to get to our destination. Look at all these people. This is how Mexico is. They're basically trying to capitalize off of tourists.
Taxi. Taxi. Taxi.
Oh, I think that's him. Hold on, let me see. As you can see, there were a ton of people outside of the airport trying to hustle and get people to ride with them and sell flowers and sell all kind of things. We didn't really feel comfortable getting a ride on the spot, so we ordered an Airbnb, which we felt safe. And here we are in the Airbnb. All of the cars in Guatemala are very small. Majority of them are small, but there's a few trucks and SUVs here and there. But here we are on our ride to Antigua, which was about an hour out. So here we are sightseeing on the way. It was interesting seeing KFCs and Taco Bells. They were definitely built differently in other countries, but we just enjoyed the ride and the view along the way. This is definitely not a country that I would recommend anybody to drive in. I wouldn't recommend renting a car. The road structure is crazy. People drive crazy. There's mopeds everywhere. The roads are very loopy and turny. People drive fast. And I just wouldn't recommend. Just the Airbnbs are fairly inexpensive, especially due to the currency. Guatemalan quetzal is about 13 cents in US dollars, and so things are fairly cheap. I would definitely recommend just getting an Uber for your transportation. So here we are about an hour later, arriving in Antigua, and you can instantly see the transition from Guatemala City to Antigua. The building, the structures are just beautiful. It almost felt like we drove into a fairy tale town. Everything was very antique and maintained its natural states. Here we are walking into El Solar, our Airbnb. At first, it was hard for us to know which door to come into, so we were kind of standing out on the streets for a little bit, and I was able to get in contact with our host. He was really great and was very helpful, always checked in on us, but just be mindful that there are two doors to get into this location, and so we were at the wrong one, and we had to walk all the way around with our luggage, and the roads were just not easy to walk with. 3 large suitcases, so just keep that in mind. But here we are at the Airbnb. Well, that's what I thought, because the GPS said it was right here.
Oh, okay.
wow, this is
Bueno. ¿Es bueno? Muy bueno.
bonita. Okay, guys, we have finally made it to the Airbnb from the airport. So I'm going to give you guys a quick tour and then give you guys a little review of our transportation here and everything. And then we're probably going to relax a little because we're pretty tired, but let's go ahead and get started with the tour. So we came in through these beautiful double doors, and here is the main floor that has the living room, beautiful, authentic brick or stone, and a nice couch to sit on, beautiful decor. Yeah, I've never stayed anywhere like this. This is beautiful. And this is the kitchen space. So they have some pots and pans in here for us to use if we need to. Coffee mug, sanitizers, some rolls, a stove, a sink, microwave, salt and pepper. Well, the pepper looks like it's gone, but salt. Plenty of utensils necessary, plates, cups. Let's see what's in here. Bowls, glasses, nothing under there. Silverware, some towels and mittens for the kitchen, and some little baconware. And that one's empty. Oh, okay. Well, this is beautiful. I haven't even been upstairs yet. This is giving a movie scene. What you think, Deuce?
Yeah.
It's giving like Flintstone. Oh, I think you can open these, Deuce. This is so cute. Oh yeah. Look. You open it and get some fresh air. It's really nice. So is this locked? Oh, I guess it's still unlocked because we didn't lock it. So they gave us a set of keys, and there's one set of keys for the gate to get in here, and then there's another set of keys for the door. And then they have some fresh water. Just from my understanding, the water, faucet water, is not good to drink. So plenty of water. Look at this little chair. No, that's straight up decor because we're about to sit in there.
No.
I love this staircase. They got some art. Somebody little naked booty. And then, wow, this is beautiful. This is... Babe, can we build something like this? This is nice, y'all. It's a little toasty. It's not perfect. It's hot. They have a ironing board, towels. I hope they're gonna have more towels in it because that ain't gonna work. Blow dryer, blankets, and then a nice little vanity space, really cute. I don't know what this is. I'm kind of scared to open it. Oh, this is the restroom. It's a little tight in here, but it's still pretty big for the space that you have. This is the shower, and I'm assuming you can open this window too. I'm not gonna open it right now, but they got some soap, shampoo in here, fully stocked. This is nice, beautiful wooden floors, Same sort of couch to go with downstairs. Everything in this room as far as decor is like very authentic. Let me see what this door is. Let's see. Oh, it's just like a little patio space. Let me see. Very nice. And then you can actually open it up. And oh, it opens this way. That's smart. That's very smart. Let's see. All right. So you can kind of step out. Let me make sure this is 30. This is beautiful. Very beautiful scenery. And then they also have a TV here. I wonder how the TV's gonna be, because last time we had TV wasn't great. Oh, these are the channels they have. Oh, they got Disney. Dude, they got Disney Channel. I bet you they ain't got BT on here. Nah. Oh, they got FX. Oh yeah, they got the good cable. I'm about to turn this fan on. It said that they had air. Oh, let's see what this fan feels like. They must have known I needed my ambient noise. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this part 1 to this vacation series in Antigua, Guatemala. In order to see the rest of this trip, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and turn the notifications on so that you can be notified whenever I post the next video of this trip. For real. Thank you guys for watching.